So you might be asking, who is coaching for? I have right in front of me here the latest issue of Psychology Today. Psychology Today asked readers, so that means counselors, professionals, what they would like to change in their life. And here's what some of them said. I would like to act more freely, to do the things I aspire to do without as much hesitation. I would like to be more proactive, less held back or hesitant. I would like to pay less attention to my negative thoughts than to my positive ones. I wish I could stop myself from overthinking. Sometimes it prevents me from doing anything and creating, which is what I love to do. I wish I weren't so hard on myself. I would like to become more consistent at taking action. I have bizarre procrastination and avoidance issues. It's painful. I'd like to be more mindful, more appreciative of what I do have instead of always wanting more. These are professionals in this field giving their struggles. So coaching is for all of us. I've had my own personal coaching. My husband and I have had our own personal coaching for our business, and I would love to be your clarity coach. So fill out the form and let's have an hour together and see what I can do for you.